guys, welcome back to Mystery Toys. Today, our PJ Masks villains are stuck in this slime. Now, even though these evil villains do play tricks on us, I think we should still help them out. What do you guys think? We have Night Ninja, Romeo, and Luna Girl. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's start with Night Ninja. Here he is, in his really cool suit. It has a lot of glitter on it. And he has the blue toilet. And let's take out his green slime. And there's something in his green slime. It's Dory! Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Let's put the slime back in the blue toilet. Next, we have Romeo. Oh boy, he's really stuck. But we got him out. Here he is. I like his gloves and his cool goggles. Check out that big hair. And Romeo has the green toilet and the yellow slime. Hey, I see a red fire hat. It's Marshall from Paw Patrol. I'm all fired up. Here's the yellow slime. Let's put it back in the green toilet. And lastly, we have Luna Girl. Oh boy, she still has some slime stuck to her. There's Luna Girl. Look at her cool mask. And Luna Girl has the pink toilet and the pink slime. And look who it is! It's Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And here's the pink slime. Let's go ahead and put it back in our pink toilet. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We rescued the evil villains and we also got some cool surprises in our slime. Give us a big like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with another video from Mystery Toys. Bye for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching.